If swapping one React component with another breaks your app, you are violating the Liskov Substitution Principle. Let's fix that. Liskov Substitution Principle, or LSP, says that subtypes should be able to replace their base type without breaking functionality. In React, that means child component should behave like their parent without unexpected issues. Here's a user card component, assuming all users have an access level. But what happens when we add guests who don't have an access level? Replacing an admin user with a guest breaks the app. Let's fix this. We ensure all user types share a common interface, so user card component doesn't break. Both admin user and guest conform to a common type, that is user. User card works with any user type without breaking. LSP ensures interchangeable components without unexpected crashes. Follow LSP in React. Design components so that any valid substitute works seamlessly. Like and subscribe for more React tips.